topic comes under 2A, and marks allotted from previous papers, from the experience of the previous papers. If you see, the marks allotted are around 22. So 2 7 marks questions, that comes 14 marks. 2 2 marks questions, that comes under 4 marks. 1 4 marks question, that come under 4 marks. Total 22 marks. This is IPA level about. And in joint entrance examinations so far, this IIT part, even there the probability is generally asked as a passage question covering at most 12 or maximum 12 or around 10 marks. This is the weightage around the probability topic. Now, already we have covered the subtopics of probability, such as simple probability. Simple probability or mathematical definition of probability we covered. Then addition theorem and related properties. Addition theorem and related probability. Addition theorem of probability, which we have covered. Then conditional event and the multiplication theorem of probability. Which we have covered. Then next comes Bayes theorem and total probability. These come under probability heading 1. Then probability heading 2. What are the probability heading 2? Then the probability heading 2 is the random variable. And followed by random variable, 2 distributions. One is binomial distribution and one is Poisson distribution. So these are the things that are to be covered, so that these 22 marks are covered. We are taking up what we call the random variable, the theoretical distributions and random variable. First we will see what is the random variable definition. What is a random variable? Random variable is a function. That too, which function? A real valued function. Which mapping sample space to set of real numbers. This is the definition of random variable. Now, in this random variable definition, the concept of real valued function is to be more elaborated. I will elaborate about real valued function. What is a real valued function? So basically, you know that a function takes one set elements to another set elements. This is a function. The values which are inputted, you know that they are called domain, and the set into which the values are mapped by the function are called codomain. And mapped values become range. This is all you know from basic functions. Now, when the domain is subset of real numbers or the real numbers itself, such a function is said to be real variable function. What is a real variable function? A function whose domain is subset of R or R itself. Now, if the codomain is subset and contained by R, such function is said to be real valued function. If both of these things together happen, domain is subset of R, codomain is subset of R, such function is said to be a real function. This is the background of real valued function. Now come back to random variable. Now what is a random variable? Let us recollect again the definition. The random variable is a real valued function. Real valued function. So we are, whatever be the domain elements, the domain elements are paired to a set of real numbers. So the x is a random variable. The sample space is mapped to real numbers. The domain of the random variable is sample space. The range is set of reals. For example, one simple example I will take. The sample space is nothing but a 3 coins. A coin, or rather only one coin. A coin is tossed thrice. A coin is tossed thrice, 3 times. If a coin is tossed thrice, the total possible outcomes are 2 power 3. 2 power 3, that are 8. So what are the outcomes? Let us list. H, 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 T, H, T, H, T, H, H, okay, H, T, 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 H, T, 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 T. How many are over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the possible outcomes. Now this is a random variable. What is actually random variable? It can be defined anyway. For this particular example, I will say x is number of heads. Number of heads. So number of heads. This, how many number of heads are there? 3 are there. Here 2 are there. Here also 2. Here 2. Here 1. Here 1. Here no heads. If you observe, this random variable is taking the elements of the sample space and matching it to the set of reals. So the domain is this. What is the range? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is a random variable. Now we can fit a probability distribution for this random variable. Probability distribution can be fit to this random variable. Probability distribution. Yes. What is the probability distribution? Probability distribution is, you can define the probability function in any manner you want. Here I define as if an ordinary probability distribution. What is an ordinary probability distribution? It is the number of favorable cases by exhaustive cases. X is equal to xi. What is the range of the probability? 0, 1, 2, 3 is the range of probability. What is the probability of x is equal to xi? 1, 0, no heads. No heads are how many? 1 case is there. So out of total 8, 1 by 8. Similarly, 1 head. 1 head is coming how many times? 1 head. Twice it is coming. So this is 2 by 8. 2 heads it is coming how many times? 2 heads have come 3 times. So that is 3 by 8. And how much is the 3 heads? 2 heads is 3. How much is 3 heads? 3 heads is 1 by 8. 3 heads 1 by 8. 1, 2, 3. 2 heads 3 by 8. And 2 heads over 1 head 1, 2 times. No head 1 time. So this is the probability distribution table about. Now depending upon the definition of the random variable, the probability distribution is named. So this advantage of this particular random variable is, it is giving a functional meaning to the probability. For further rigorous mathematical treatment, the random variable is helping us. Now we will see the mean, variance of a probability distribution table that is generated by a random variable, or they can be called the mean variance of the random variable itself. Check. Random variable mean variance and standard deviation. Standard deviation. You know that a random variable takes what? It takes the values of the sample space, the points of the sample space to the real numbers. Now, while to take from sample space to real numbers, the random variable should be defined. The so defined distribution, let us say the distribution here is a distribution. Now the range of the random variable x is equal to xi, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to n. These are the range. Then you have generated the probability of x is equal to xi. The point to be noted here is this particular probability of x is equal to xi can be generated by any manner we need, any manner we designed. For example, earlier example, I have shown the ordinary definition of probability. I have generated a probability distribution for the tossing of a coin thrice and number of heads. There I used the basic definition of the probability that is the number of favorable cases by number of exhaustive cases. Now we can design any function depending upon our requirement. That is the power of this particular random variable. In physical situations such as the quality control and